Welcome to our channel Indian Legends Alpha Laboratory ILAL. A deliberation on my book Be a Victor, Turn Defeats into Victories. Topic 1, Goal, First Step to Success, Episode 6. Subtopic, Adopt Just the Next Hour Approach. Winning any objective requires step-by-step approach. If you are interested to win something, achieve something, then it requires step-by-step approach. Immediately you cannot achieve the success. Take for example, one person is interested to quit smoking. Smoking has become a habit with him. He is interested to quit smoking. The best advice that is given to him is the hour by hour approach or next hour approach. In this step, what he does, he determines or he makes a resolution with himself that for this 1 hour I am not going to smoke. When that 1 hour is completed, then again he renews his resolution that for this hour I am not going to smoke. So, when this process continues, automatically what happens? His desire diminishes. His desire to smoke diminishes or becomes less. At that time, he extends that hour into 2 hours. Instead of quitting the smoking for 1 hour, he quits the smoking for 2 hours. Then again for 2 hours. When it becomes a habit, he extends that period into a complete day. This is the only way in which he can quit the smoking. But if a person wants to quit all at once, his approach, instead of being next hour approach or hour by hour approach, if he wants to adopt all at once approach, then he normally fails. The reason is the psychological pain becomes so high that it is becoming intolerable for him to bear. He cannot bear the pain, psychological pain of not smoking for 1 hour or 2 hours. So, it is always advisable that go for the step by step approach. An hour is easy. Keeping one promise for 1 hour, then for another hour, then for another hour, it is easy. But forever, it is difficult. The person who is determined to get maximum success learns this principle: progress is made one step at a time. Those people who are determined to get the highest amount of success from their life, they learn this simple principle: progress is made one step at a time. On the staircase, it is always good to cross one step at a time. As a result, you will be able to reach to the top portion of the building. But if you are thinking that 2 or 3 steps you will take at a time, you will be able to reach sooner. But definitely a day will come when your step will slip and you will fall down and face a lot of difficulties. Therefore, those people who are interested to get maximum success from their life, they have learned that progress is made one step at a time. We should also learn from them this principle. Take for example, a house will be built. The wall will not be built immediately. It is built, a house is built one brick at a time. One brick upon that another brick, upon that another brick, like this the house is built. Take for example, you are interested to win a football tournament or a cricket tournament. Always remember, those tournaments are won one game at a time. The game that you are having at hand, first focus on that, win that one. Then focus on the next level match, focus on that and win that one. Like this, you will go to the final and you will be the winner. Immediately we cannot play for the final. There are certain steps. we have to overcome them. One institution grows bigger with one customer at a time. One customer now, after 10 minutes one customer, after 10 minutes one customer, or one customer at a time, that ensures the growth of an organization. Every big accomplishment is a series of small accomplishments. When these small accomplishments will be joined together, at that time it will be a big accomplishment. As drops of water, they can create huge content of water, or the river, or the ocean, or the well. So, one drop of water, when they will mix, they can build that one. So, we have to realize this truth of life, and we have to implement that one in our own life also. To the junior executive, each assignment is an opportunity to go ahead in life, to take a step forward in achieving his objective. Each assignment is vital. For a salesman, if he is interested to get management responsibilities, each cell is vital. To the professor, each lecture. To the scientist, each experiment. To the business executive, each conference. To the student, each question. They are vital and the most important phase or step to go ahead in their life. Therefore, professors, they should focus upon each lecture. Scientists, they have to focus upon each experiment. The student, they have to focus upon each question, and the business executive, they have to focus on each conference. Definitely, that will be one step forward in achieving their goal. Commit this question to your memory and ask this question to yourself before you take any decision. Remember this question. Always ask yourself this question before taking any step. The question is, will this take me where I want to go? Will this step take me to the place where I want to reach? If yes, if the answer is coming out yes, then march ahead without thinking anything. If the answer is no, then simply back off. Don't attempt that, because it is simply a wastage of time, because where you want to reach, you will not go one step ahead towards that. Therefore, it is always better to quit that. For a student, next hour, next question, next chapter approach. For a student, next hour, next question and next chapter approach. For a teacher, next class approach. For a sportsman, next game approach. For a doctor, next patient approach. Definitely will take them to the top. If they are attempting it in this way, one work at a time, definitely they will be able to reach the top in their chosen field. Remember, the step by step method is the only intelligent way to attain any objective. If you are interested to fulfill your dream, to fulfill your desire, the intelligent way is step by step method. Always try to adopt this one. In our next episode, we will discuss about prepare a 30-day improvement guide. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Jai Hind. For upcoming videos, never forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. To get updated notification, press the bell icon.